Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add Snapchat stories into your favorites, I guess, here. So let me just turn down the audio just in case it has an audio. Anyways, let's go back here, and this is in this section. And for instance, I went to this story and I want to, I guess, save it. Select the three dots and then select add to favorites, or just like the Snapchat story here. Then if you went back to your profile, scroll down to your favorites, it will be there. You can see more by viewing all, but I only have three because I don't really favorite I guess stories on Snapchat. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.